Hi students, today we are going to discuss about detailed explanation about binary search tree. So last class we discussed definition of binary tree and how the tree will be constructed using the rules of binary tree and binary search. Okay, binary search tree is nothing but it is a we are implementing both the binary tree methodology as well as binary searching techniques. Okay, binary tree methodology in the sense, what is the binary tree methodology? That means each node having either 0 childs or 1 child or maximum 2 childs. That is the principles of binary tree. And binary search means we can first searching the element either mid position or make the data in arranging order, then we can search. So now we are going to discuss about the operations of binary search. So very important questions. The operations are generally insertion, deletion, searching operation, finding minimum element in the binary search tree and finding maximum element in the binary search tree. So these are operations is very important, especially first two operations. So majority of cases, the university exam point of view, they ask insertion and deletion of the binary search tree. Okay, so we are going in detail what is the procedure of insertion of element in binary search tree as well as deletion and searching of element, finding a minimum element in the binary search tree as well as maximum element. Okay, let us look at insertion of binary search tree. So take the insertion procedure. So before going to inserting any node in the binary search tree, so the node is following these three properties. So first one is if insertion of any node, suppose if the node is your node is a new node for the tree, if there is no root, suppose the root is null, then the node is act as a root node. So which node is inserted, that node is act as a root node. Okay, this is the root node. Next, suppose if you insert any other node, if the node is greater than the root, if next new node if you want to insert, the node is greater than the root, it can go for right side. It can go for right side. That is the second property. Third property is if the node is less than the root. So next we are going to insert a node. The node is compared with the root node. If the node is the current new node is less than the root node, so then go for left side. Left side. So these processes continue until all the nodes will be added to the binary search tree. Okay, so this main 3 points is very important before implementing the insertion of the node in the binary search tree. So once again, if the node, whatever the node if you want insert, first check with the root node. If there is no root node, that is root node is null, your node is become a root node. Next, second node if you want insert, that node also compare with the already existing root node. If the root node is greater than or the current node is greater than the root node, it can go for right side. If the current node is less than the root node, go for left side. So these are 2 points. If the new node is greater than the root node, so go for right side. If the node is less than the root node, go for left side. So in this way we are going to insert binary search tree. This is a very important question in external point of view. So direct 10 marks question. So we are going to discuss about with the example how the nodes will be added. We are taking the question from the previous question papers. So now take the example. Let's take example. this is a way of the question they ask in the university examination point of view. So they will give a list of the elements and construct a binary tree according to the procedure. Okay, so whenever they ask a question like this, first write the definition of binary search tree, and then what are the properties of binary search tree, insertion properties, and then take example which is given to the question and try to construct a binary search tree step by step. Each step we have to write 1 point or 2 points is required. So first you can start from the 13. So is there any tree before adding to the node? No, there is no tree. No tree in the sense there is no root. If there is no root, which node is going to add in the binary search tree? That will be act as a root node of binary search tree. Next value element is 17. So compare 17 with 13. So 17 is a greater value of 13. The second point is, if the coming value is greater than the root value, it can go for right hand of the node or root node. Right hand of the root. Next value is 6. Again 6 will be compared with 13. 13 is a root node. Always every new node will be comparing starting from the root node to other nodes, either right side nodes or left side node. So 6 is a less than root node. So it is less than means you can go for left hand side. Less than values are always left hand. Okay. Next is 23. So 23 is compared with 13. So 23 is a greater of 13. You can go for right side. So right side already 17 is there. If it is 70, again 17, 23 is compared. 17, 23 is compared. Which one is the greater? 23. So 20 is the greater than to 17, so that it is moved to right side of the 17. Next 5. So 13, again 5 compared with 13, it is a less than, 5 is a less than to root node, to go for right side. So right side already, sorry, left side already 6 is there. So then 6 and 5 comparison is start. Which one is less value? 5. So then less values is always leftmost, added to the left side only. Next 1. So compare with 13, is 1 is the less, go for left side, already 6 is there. 6 1 comparison, 1 is less than, again go for left side, already 5 is there. 5 1 compare, 1 is the lesser value of 5, again go for add left side of the node 5. Next 3. Okay, where 3 to be add, then 3 compare with 13, it is the less value, already 6 is there. 6 3 is the less value, go for left side already 5 is there. 5 3 less than, so 3 is less value of 5, then go for left side already 1 is there. 1 3 comparison, 1 is less than the 3 and 3 is a greater than 1, so the greater value of 1 always at right side. Greater value of 1 always at right side. Okay. Next 12. So 12 is less than 13, go for left side, and 6 12 compared to 6, 12 is a greater value. So greater value, the right side position is still empty, so then we can move to right side of 6, because of 12 is a greater than of 6, greater value of 6. Next 21. So go to compare, again start from the root node. 13 29 comparison, 29 is a greater value, go for right hand it's already 17 is there. 17 29 is compared, so compare which one is the greater value? 19, so then it can go move for right side. So right side already 23 element is there. 23 29 comparison is happened, and 29 is still greater than of 23, so then where it can add a left side or right side. So 29 is the greater of 23, so obviously it can move for right side. Okay, so this is the way of adding every node according to the fulfillment of property of the binary search tree. So binary search tree You know that three properties is there, mandatory properties. One is if the node is first node in the tree, so that will be act as a root, that will be make it as a root, so not at all issue. Next, if node is greater than the root node, go for right hand till where it can place, it can compare to one after another until to place proper position. Next, the node is less than the root, go for leftmost until to place the proper place. Okay, if already element is there, there is no replacement. Okay, if is that value is compared with this value, if it is greater, go for right side. If it is less than the 17, go for left side. Okay, so take one more new suppose if you want to insert 15, if you want to insert one more new node is 15, so 15 compare with 13, so it is a greater value. Move to the right hand side, so right hand 17 15, so 17 15, 17 is a greater value of 15, so then where it can add, 17 is greater or 15 is greater, 17 is greater or 15 is greater, which one is greater, 17 is greater, so 15 is less value, so less value is always add to left side of that node. Okay, so this is the continue process. So take one more example, which element we need to take, suppose 7, we can take one more element is 7. Again compare 13 7, so 13 is a greater value, 13 is a greater value, so it can go for left hand side. Next element is 6 and 7. Okay, here 7 is a greater value, okay, already 7 is a greater value, in the place of rightmost having 12. Next compare 7 with 12. Okay, 12 is a greater value, so then 7 is the minimum of 12, so then it can move to leftmost. So this is a continue process. How many nodes if you want to insert, based upon the three properties, the node will be placed their respective positions in the binary search tree. Okay, I think all of you understood well. So this is very important question for forthcoming examination. They will ask the direct question, either they will give the elements or you can take your own elements in any order, not at all issue. Take any elements in any order, and according to the rules, three properties or rules whatever it framed, so based upon that we can add one after another. How many elements you can take, it is not at all issue. If you know the procedure, you can clearly fix the binary search tree. Okay, that's it. So now let us take another second operation of binary search tree is a deletion. So we are having a different variation is happen, the deletion of nodes based upon the degree. Okay, the first procedure is, if the node is degree 0 in the sense, you know very well how to calculate the degree of the node. Degree 0 in the sense, that is the last node, that is a leaf node. Okay, leaf node, if the node is degree 0, that is mean in the bracket I mentioned is a leaf node, easy to delete and it is not affect on the binary search tree. So nothing will be happen, no need to change any of the node positions, so not at all to change any replacement of the nodes. Next, second point is, if the node with degree 1, like this, if the node is suppose this node and this node, so this is the degree is 0, this is the node of degree is 1 because of one child is connected. If it is, if you want delete this node, which node having degree 1, so after the deletion of this node, the child become a parent, because of the connectivity is lost, so then it is become a parent of that child. Okay, next, if the node with the degree 2, we suppose if the node with the degree 2, because of the node will be having two childs, left child and right child, with the degree is 2. In that case, select the minimum element from the right subtree to act as a parent. and select the maximum element from the left subtree to be act as a parent. So this is the following steps we need to follow. How to follow the insertion method using three properties. Same. So deletion also using three properties. Okay. So once again, if the node is degree 0, that is the last child, that is the leaf node, if you want to delete, nothing will be happen. This is a as usual node will be same place, that is not affecting on binary search tree. If the node is with degree 1, the node is degree 1, if you want delete this position of element, so this connection will be lost. So then this is become as a replacing this place, that means that become a parent of the node tree. Next, if the node having two childrens, in that case, suppose if you want delete in this position, which one is become a parent? You can take minimum element from the rightmost tree, or if you take the maximum element from the leftmost, that is your wish. Okay, which one is a minimum? If you want to make right node as a parent, take the minimum element, make it as a parent. The left node is a maximum element, select the maximum element, take it as a parent. So that is according to your way of designing a constructing the binary search tree. Either we can take the minimum of rightmost subtree, or you can take the maximum of leftmost subtree. You can take any node. So next we can discuss how these implement the 3 points in problematic way. So take example, can discuss where if you want to delete, where if you want to delete degree 1 node, degree 0 node, degree 2 node. So let us take the example of deletion of node. So first we have to construct, then we can go for deletion operation by using this sequence of elements. So we are covered both insertion and deletion in the same problem. So take 70, then 35 is take better to take 40. So take the 40. So 40. Okay. So then 35 is less than. So then we can add leftmost. Next 46 is greater than of 40, so then add this place, rightmost. Next 25 is compared with the 40, so it can decide it is only leftmost, no need to not allowing to the rightmost because of the less than 40. So then 35 and 25, so 35 is greater of 25, so then 25 is less value of 35, then move for left side. Then 10, 40, 35, compare the 40 to 10 is a less value, 35, 10, even it is less, 25, 10, it is a less, then again go for left side. Next 5, or for easy to take a 15, okay, 15, so then greater value 15. Next 55 is a greater value, and 55, 46 greater value, so then it is move right side. Next 60, so then it is also move this position. Okay. Next one more element I want to add, 53. I want to add 53. So then go for here searching, 40 and 53 is greater value, 46, 53 is a greater value. So 53 is greater than 46 and 50 is the less than 53, so that it is add left side of 53. Okay, I hope you understood well how to insert the nodes in the binary search tree. So then find out the degree. Okay, if the degree of 15 is there is no child, is a leaf nodes 0. The degree of 10 is one child is connected. Degree of 25, one child is connected directly. 35, 25 degree is 1. This degree in having two childrens, 2. Next 46 having only one child, 55 having two childs, degree is 2, 53 degree no childs, so 0, 60 no childs, degree 0. So before deletion, better to know that which degree of element if you want to delete. So we saw the 3 points under the deletion: 0 degree, 1 degree and 2 degree. So let us delete 1 degree. Let us first delete degree 1 node, degree 0 node, degree 0 node. So from this example I select 15. So 15 I want to delete. So how to delete the 15 element? So you can search where the 15 is present. First of all, 15 is present here. Okay, 15 is present here with the degree 0. So with degree 0 element is deleted successfully if there is no effect on other nodes in the binary search tree. So this is nothing will be happen. So already I told, if the leaf nodes or degree 0 nodes are deleted, that deletion impact never affect on the total binary tree or its parents also. That is never affect to any of the node or entire binary search tree. Okay, so that is the first case. Second case, I want to delete. I will add same as it is. Node, previous node I attached. I want delete with the degree 1. So how many nodes having the degree 1? 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want delete. So how to delete? So suppose I choose, I want delete 25. Because of the degree is 1. So what is the replacement of 25? Child of 25 you can replace in the place of 25. So what is the final result? Simply 25 is deleted. Then what are the childs is connected in previous, so that will be connected to that one. Even if you did any modification on the place, that will be never disturbing the binary search rules and regulations. What is the binary search rules and regulations? Even if you delete any element, listen carefully, even if you delete any element, if you do any modification, the changes must and should follow the binary search rules and regulations. What is the binary search rules and regulations? Rightmost having the greater value of the node, leftmost having the less value of that node. So check the deletion happen in this place. Check the either this place will be following the binary tree rules and regulations or not. 40, 35 as less value. 30 less value is left side is 10 as it is a less value. Right side is 15. 15 is a greater value of 10, so it is added right. So nothing will be, even it is changes will be happen, the tree should be follow the rules and regulations. That means left side having less value of the node, right side having the right value of the node. So I hope you understood. This is the degree of one node is deletion. Now third case with degree 2. With degree 2 node if you want to delete. So how many nodes in the binary search tree having with degree 2? Okay, here 55 the degree 2 and 40 degree 2. Suppose I want to delete 55 with degree 2. Okay, what is the rule here? If the degree 2, what is the rules? Either you can replace minimum of left side value or maximum of right side value. You can take your own decision. There is no restrictions. So which one if you want to place, you can replacing with the 50. Suppose I want delete 55. So what happen? Either you can replacing the maximum value of rightmost or 60, or you can replacing the less value of 53. Okay, so which one I need to take? Go for right hand side. You can go for left subtree, no problem. 60, the degree 1. Okay, so after deletion, if you are replacing the rightmost or leftmost, okay, so the degree should be follow the binary tree rule regulation. Once we can check, so where the deletion is happen, in this place. Okay, 46 is a greater than, so that's why it is move for right side. Next 60 6 is a greater than, so that it is a right side of the 46. Next 53 the less than of 60, so that it can go for left hand side. So this is the happen. Next, suppose what happen if you delete the root node with the degree 2. So I will I write the same figure which is previous nodes having. What is the previous nodes? Suppose here 55 to 60, then here 53. Okay, so my target is, second case I'm going to take with the degree 2. I want delete 40. So which number I want to take from the subtree? Take the minimum number or maximum number from the left subtree, or minimum number from the right subtree. So go for rules which I discussed in the just a few minutes back. If you delete the degree 2, either go for left hand side maximum number replacing with that node, or right hand side minimum number should be replacing with the 40. So then which one we need to take, that is up to you. Either go for what is the minimum number in right hand side, either you can replace with the 46, or it is the maximum 35. Okay, so the previous problem I go for rightmost, now I go for leftmost. So 40 is removed, 40 is deleted. Listen carefully, 40 is deleted. I go for maximum number of left subtree. So left subtree maximum number is 35. 35 will be now act as a root of the entire tree. So after deletion is happened, check out once again all the nodes will be satisfying the binary search tree conditions or not. So check it both the sides, because of root node will be changed, that will be effect on both left side and right side. So 35, 25 is a less than, yes, that's why it is a left side. 10 is less value, 15 is a greater value of 10. So it is follow the rules of binary search tree. Rightmost 46 has greater value, less value of 53, 55, greater value of 55. So all the nodes are following the binary search tree rules. So this is a way of deletion of any degree, any node in the binary search tree. Okay, so 0 degree node if you want delete, so nothing will be affected. No need to check again binary rules is followed by or not. If you delete one node, if you need to check slightly where it is happen exactly. If you delete the degree 2, that is also a root node, then you can check entire left and rightmost subtree, either all nodes is following the binary tree rules and regulations. If it is okay, everything is fine, so that is the final binary tree of the final binary tree after deletion of the specific node.